Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to fix Telegram only send message to mutual contact issue. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So to solve this issue, click on the search bar which is at the top over here, and after clicking on it, search for spam info bot. Spam info bot, as you guys can see, it's shown right over here. You can click on it, and after you click on it, what you can do is do this, type this /start, and over here you can click on but I can't message non-contacts right down here. You can click on it, click on yes. So what this is trying to say is, if you are messaging a lot of random people, like people who are not in your contact, and like spamming messages to them and a lot of them, then Telegram has blocked you. So you need to wait for 24 hours so you can message other people again. But if you haven't spammed other people and still can message other people, then what it is going to do is it's going to tell you to report this problem to Telegram so they would fix it. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.